Hi, I'm Melina, and today we're going to make a polymer clay bowl. For this next step, we're going to create an outer edge to our polymer bowl. So, we're going to take some clay, any colors that you want, and blend them in any way that you see fit. We are going to keep rolling around our clay till we get a nice consistent color. What we're doing is we're creating a piece that's going to go along the outer edge of our bowl. So, measure along and make sure that you have a nice size. Try to keep it even. There we go. So you're going to go around your bowl. If you have some oil, you're going to want to smooth it down, smooth around the edges. And believe it or not, olive oil really is great for working with polymer clay. Get a nice clean look, and then you just wash it off with soap and water when you're done. The clay it's not sensitive to water. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put some foil down. Because we're creating the bowl upside down, we're going to go ahead and once we're done making the bowl, we're just going to pop it right in the oven on the piece of foil that we're going to create it on. So we're going to fold the piece of foil, and this way we don't have to lift it up when we're done. And this is what we're going to use to cook it in the oven.